are going to make the plate, okay? Remember, take an impression, make the model and the programming and the boxing. ¿Verdad? Para no contaminar. Okay. I do one special technique, which name is arepa. Okay. For example, for this size, my reference is one little cup like this. Okay. Just put here. Okay. Then I have liquid, and please be fired from this.
Away from the fire.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Can you see the limit? Okay. The limit of the acrylic
The
plate.
limit of the plate is marked in the depth of the surface. Right? In the
Also,
vocal surface.
the frenulum.
And the frenulum is free.
Okay.
It has to be marked with pencil, so you will be able to cut it when it's not set.
Okay. Then
And then you put some Vaseline or
Okay.
oil separator.
all separator. Yes. A thin. Una pequeñita.
It's going. It needs to be a very thin layer.
Okay.
By the layer.
I'm going to make, okay, powder and liquid, and make a bowl. And the bowl,
Ay, clásica.
okay, the bowl will be here, okay, in order to press,
Okay.
and we need to have deep thumbs just to use, and I can devolver. Yes. Dirhams, euro, dólar. Un poquito más gruesa. ¿Tienes? Ajá, la de 10. Okay, I think this. Okay, the 10 dirhams fit size. I think no size, not wide.
The width, yeah, the height.
Yes, because it's supposed the plate has to be at least from 1.5 millimeters to 2 millimeters. Okay, is the one. Okay, and I will put here the ball, and when I press aquí, press the plate, not the plate, the acrylic will have same weight.
As the coin.
As the coin.
Okay, it's better if this is glass.
Glass.
Okay, dental, dental
Slab.
slab. Okay, but this is working. Okay, always please put
Yes, that's always the question.
or dish soap.
Dish soap.
Yes, a little. Yes, yes. Okay, I have this. It's already okay. No. And I like to use this. Okay, ¿podrías tú ayudarme aquí? Aguántame que no se me mueva, porfa. Exactamente, y lo importante es esto. Si no. Okay, I use this 7 spatula. Okay.
So, can I ask you what's in the leader?
Yes.
Is it the liquid?
Yes, this is the liquid. Same brand.
Like same as this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Because
Okay.
it was already
Look.
set.
This is,
That is the
you have to
mixture.
make very well. Okay, acrylic has faces. Yes?
Yes, 4
Okay. We need to cover avoiding the evaporation of the liquid. If not, the quality of the acrylic is not the same.
Okay.
Okay, maybe 30 seconds, and just check. When the weather is cool, it takes more time.
Yeah.
Look now, it's getting thicker.
Filamentosa.
Yeah.
I don't know in English.
It's getting thicker like
Filamentosa fase. Cream.
Cream.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the ratio of the liquid
Yeah,
to
this
the
is
powder?
kind
Yes.
of, yeah,
What's the ratio?
Ratio.
Okay.
¿Cuál es el porcentaje de líquido?
No, el porcentaje no es.
It's just you.
I-
Just
I-
rub by
Okay.
eye.
Okay.
Rub by
Okay.
eye.
By eye.
By eye.
Eye.
That's why she does it with the syringe, and she's mixing at the same
Yeah.
time.
Yes.
Once she feels that it's all wet,
Okay.
when it's all wet,
Cover it.
you can mix it, then you cover it.
And always I have another little cup here because after this, you will see, I put liquid.
liquid on the
Yes.
top. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Better. Okay. And always please keep your instruments clean. Okay. La misterito.
When it's going to be almost ready, then she's going to put some Vaseline in the glove. Because she's going to,
Just in the point of my fingers. Okay. Okay. Sí, pero todavía. Okay. Okay. Okay, but
But it still shines,
sí.
right? It has to, the shining
shining.
on the top has to fade away. And you have
You
to
see?
more opaque. The
Shouldn't
top.
be
When you
shining.
when,
It shouldn't be shiny.
no,
No.
no. When it looks opaque, then it's almost setting, then you can take it and work with it. It's
Todavía.
almost, pero ya casi, mira.
Ajá.
Ya, it's almost opaque.
Yeah.
This is really
Okay.
when you, if you work step by step like this and you don't get yourself creative, you're going to have very good results. But if you try to avoid
a
the
little
step,
bit
then
shiny.
you're going to
Yeah.
end with the acrylic all stained with white spots like snow.
A ver. No lo hago antes porque lleva todo
Let's see.
de vaselina. Okay.
Now it's like a dough. Right? Once you have the dough texture, you can play with it and make a ball.
Okay.
You make the ball and put it in between the points. Then she smashed it.
And press not here. Please press
On the
coins.
You see that the ball seems to be big, but look the size of the acrylic. They're rounded like the tortilla.
The arepita. Okay, if the acrylic is coming, the set is not good.
Good.
We have to wait. But here, okay?
Yes.
Mm,
Yeah. The acrylic is not supposed to stick,
no,
but if
Nothing.
it sticks, then it's still not yet set. Ready. We should have waited a little bit more.
okay, aquí está.
Y todavía se pega. Un poquito.
Mm.
Yo parte que se pega.
Puede ser también el material que no es.
Might be also the material, the plastic material,
Yeah.
which is not that
Sí.
thick.
porque en vidrio queda
Yeah, when you do it
completamente.
with glass, never sticks.
It's better than plastic.
Ajá. Ok. A ver, si no. Bueno. Esto queda.
Hazlo bolita otra vez, y
Pero
lo
tiene-
volvemos
porque
a
tiene-
hacer.
porque tiene
Y lo
vaselina
ponemos
abajo.
más vaselina y lo volvemos a hacer.
Pero tiene vaselina esto. Ok.
The good thing is that you can
You want to
also
play.
do the ball again.
Okay.
Now,
Ah.
that's how it works.
Igual aquí se pega un poquito. Ok.
Okay.
Ahora. Acrylic. Necesito mucho líquido. Ok. Pongo aquí. Puedes decir y voy con ligeros toques, no estirando, porque voy a adelgazar.
You don't push or stretch. You just with small touches. You just mold.
Okay.
Sorry, but what is in this water or?
No, it's a
No.
liquid. It's acrylic
Oh,
liquid.
I see.
And you need a lot.
Mhm.
Okay, that's why I prefer putting
Yeah.
here.
You have to put a lot of liquid, so it won't fade and it won't make white spots.
Okay, do you remember we did the marks?
Mhm.
Okay,
So now
this
you
mark
cut.
is your reference to cut. Okay, you see, I'm in the limit. Okay, and
That you have your
for
liquid,
adapting,
so you can adapt.
I'm missing this. Okay.
Teresita, in this part, I think the acrylic is thin.
Yes.
Yes.
We put the powder and the
You
liquid.
can,
Yes.
you can put a little bit of powder and then, so add some liquid.
Sí, puedes decir.
When you're doing this part, you can make a hole. You can make a little hole with the other side of the spatula number 7, which is pointed. Then you go and you do a hole in the middle of the cleft, and that hole is going to be to put some dental floss, so you can hold and for the mother
Here.
it's going to be easy to take it out like that.
Especially if it's the first time for the patient.
Yes,
and
yes.
the-
Like that, and you turn, you make it, you twist and that's it.
Or we do it with the hand piece.
Yes.
But when
Yes,
you
you
do
can
it
do
like
it.
this, and you don't have like the
Burn.
you don't
We
have
got it, yeah.
you don't have the burr, or maybe you have the burr but you don't
The
hold
burr.
it very well. It breaks into.
So this is for
So-
the dental floss.
That's for the dental
Yes.
floss, and it's easy to do it in this step because otherwise, when you have it set, you do it with the burr, and you might break it and have to do it all over again.
So just a small
The small
depression.
It's more depression, and it will not like be all the way maybe, but it's easier then with a bird,
Will-
just like zoot, zoot.
Yeah.
And because the hole is already started in the acrylic, it's less the probability that you break it.
And the labial.
On the labial flange of the left side.
Por favor, comentar esto en Venezuela. Ya yo hubiera hecho 4 por la temperatura del ambiente.
Teresita says that and she was in Venezuela because of the temperature. She should have done 4 by that time, by this time.
Okay. Do you remember yesterday when I told you with this, the electron, to clean the edges and leave this, like an angle. Okay, it's for this. Okay, I can touch this limit. And the adapting of the acrylic is excellent.
When you do like edge, like a knife edge, and the flange, you got the flange here, you edge with like the knife inclination, with sharp inclination, then the adaptation is better. Instead of leaving the flanges with the step around
So it should be rounded.
rounded and inclination. It goes like the flash goes like this and ends in some inclination, like this, like this.
Will you release hammer notch or no?
Where?
The hammer notches? Not now?
Using the
After the acrylic is setting, I'm going to use the
trim.
motor.
Yeah.
After y no habían frenillos laterales.
No había.
In
No.
this
case.
model, in this case, there are no lateral frenulums.
Just here.
Just the labial frenulum. But if it was
I
lateral
think
frenulum,
is-
this is the time to release it.
Okay. Let's set.
And just
You can do the plate with the pepper and salt technique.
yes, you put some powder and then
Okay.
liquid powder and
Yes, I tried, but always the acrylic comes white and con poros.
with pour.
Yes,
Porosities.
yes.
And there's another thing
If
that I think.
you want the other technique, is okay.
Okay.
I think
There's
this is
another
very
difference,
easy.
Teresita. It is another difference between this technique and the
Yes.
powder and liquid. When you do powder and liquid, you will have a lot of different width,
Shapes.
not shapes, but
Thickness.
thickness. Different thickness throughout the plate. But when you do it with this technique, the thickness is in the whole plate is the same, and it's going to be a lot more comfortable for the baby if weight is the same. Because if you have more thickness in one side, that might fall more than the others.